Morning guys. No, okay, retake.
Combined with contact tasting.
So a day's finally come. As you're aware, the car has needed for a while now a brand new clutch and flywheel. So we're here at RS Workshop today, just on the outskirts of Malmesbury, to get it all installed, the whole lot. It's kind of going to be a case, exhaust off, box out, do a little service on the gearbox as well by just doing the oil, and then obviously brand new clutch and flywheel. So yeah, it's needed it for quite a while now. As soon as it went stage 2+, it was kind of struggling from a dig. So I'm just going to go through all the parts that we have. It's very, very simple. But yeah, this is what's obviously going to make up what you need to do your clutch and flywheel. So this box here, this is what most people do. It's the clutch kit from the 550i. So it's an OEM spec quality clutch. However, it's going to be able to handle a little bit more power than the standard one, being that the 550i is obviously quite heavy. The flywheel has been kindly supplied by TTV Racing Components. Now you can go on their website, down in the link in the description. So these guys are the go-to guys when it comes to flywheels, especially when it comes to racing elements of your car. If you're taking your car on track or anything like that, these are definitely the people that you want to check out. This thing, I can see already, I haven't even got it out yet, but the packaging is amazing. The box comes in, nice box, nice packaging, quick shipping. And yeah, I mean, already it just looks extremely high quality. Check it out, TTV Racing, down in the description, all their links, go and check them out. And to finish it off, we've got the Mtl Gear Oil Fully Synthetic by Redline. So this is going to go into the gearbox. This is apparently the best stuff that you can get for the 335i's with these gearboxes. Full gearbox, oil change, flywheel and clutch. So yeah, let's get into it. And just for anybody actually wondering what the difference is between a single mass flywheel and a dual mass flywheel, Ryan, what would you say is the main differences between them?
I mean, it's mainly, I would say, down to power longevity, realistically. So yeah, you can.
Rushing that floor, mate.
Obviously, a single mass flywheel will be able to take a lot more power than a dual mass. You get a bit of noise increase and can get a few vibrations through the whole car to a degree, because.
Oh shit. Is it going to upset like my driving day to day?
Not.
Like, is it going to make any big difference?
Affect your clutch pull too much. Obviously, it doesn't dampen as much as a dual mass would when you pull away. So you might find it a little bit more juddery because you haven't got the two plates sort of dampen each other, basically. Okay. Yeah.
But in terms of performance, it's going to be.
Yeah, it takes a lot more abuse. It takes the torque better, especially with yours being matte.
Yeah.
And in all being well, you know, it lasts a lot longer than what a dual mass would, really. Sweet,
sweet. So yeah, I mean, that's the main difference, and that's why I'm going for a single mass as well. Just because if down the line, I don't intend on getting rid of this car right now, but if down the line I want to get like a single turbo kit or even just upgrading the twins, it's going to be pushing that higher power. The clutch should be good for about 550, maybe a little bit more, which is normally the max you can really kind of get out of hybrids, depending on which ones you go for. So that's kind of why I've gone with this. I don't really mind the chatter. If you know what the noise is, you know what it is. For anybody on the street, they might literally be like, oh, that car sounds broken. But it's not, it's literally just a single mass flywheel.
Rebel soul child got a fist balled, I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up, I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless, yeah. I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride, you do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened, I like who I am, but I'm biased. They palette is right on my drip.
So, just realised I've got some chunks missing from a split up, and the car's not even bloody lowered, it's standard height. So then, what's the plan then, right?
Get some of these end trays off, drop the exhaust, and yeah, make a start.
So exhaust back, like what we're talking, like probably cutlass downpipes back.
Back to back box. Get the braces off.
Yeah, braces because it's an E93, it's got the extra weight. Well, obviously because it doesn't have a structural rigidity as a coupe, so. I was thinking about getting some rear tips as well. These come off, I mean you got a little thing there, so they would come off surely.
Yeah, there's sleeves on. You can change the rear tips looking at that. Just
yeah.
Take the grab screw out, put them off.
I'll have a little AliExpress look on AliExpress later or something, mate.
I'll see you next year.
Hey, see it next year?
Stop, won't stop, till I told the world when the glow track. Then a nigga dope like a stove top. Type of shit they hide in a tube sock. I done skip town on a new block, but I'm still around, nigga, just not. Better hold it down with a group drop where I kick down for the crowd, a balloon pop. Bet they come around for my moolah. Better run them out of town for they hoopla. Queen, she a hunt like Mulan. Everything the hoes what they were.
Alright, give us a little summary then. What's been happening so far? What have you done? What's next?
Got all the bolts out the bell housing now. Got the linkage disconnected, clutch, slave cylinder, etc. all off.
Yeah.
Just gonna put a little safety strap around this so I don't look like an idiot on camera and the box falls off. Yeah, get the last couple of bolts out and get it down hopefully.
Nice. So yeah, nearly ready to drop it down. And then yeah, once that's done, we'll put the flywheel in, put the clutch in, and then it's just a case of reassembling. Ah, there she is. There she is. Took a while ride, but we get there in the end, mate. Right, so that's the stock 335i clutch and stock dual mass flywheel, I believe. I don't believe it was changed. And yeah, finally got the block off. So it's always good practice to clean the inside of the bell housing.
It is.
I can't fucking see, I got no light. There you go, put it there. Flip it around this way. Put some light in her. There she is. So yeah, it's always good practice just to clean the inside of this part up, just in case there's any dirt and debris. Might fuck things up, right?
You got it.
Exactly. So yeah, gonna clean that up.
Nice new clean clutch. We'll have a nice new bell housing to go with it.
Exactly. And then we can start assemble those bits, get it all together, and then we can put her back in. If you enjoy these videos, guys, just gonna say I'd really appreciate it. Just a little like on the video. It literally takes you 2 seconds. Get your cursor, drag it down, click the like button. Simple as that. It really helps me out. I know these videos are quite niche. Not a lot of people are doing 335i videos in the UK. I think I'm like only one of like 2, maybe. Not too sure. But yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you smack that like button. And if you do, I'll give you a cookie. Archer Industrial. Love that. So yeah, if you're doing this, guys, it's very important. You need to make sure you cover this central point here. There's a bearing in there. Just make sure you cover that up. Got any degreaser, right, or not?
She's in the machine, ready to go.
Oh, bloody hell. Look at that. Top quality lad, this guy, top quality. Knows what he's doing. So we're saying this is too late, it's already done. There's no saving it.
Clean it out, dry it out, re-grease it.
Now that the box is in, clutch is in, the flywheel is in, we're just literally tying up everything now. But this is a clutch delay valve delete. So what this does is increases the amount of flow that you get with the clutch fluid. It just becomes a lot more accurate with what's coming through the pedal. You're just going to get a much more accurate feel, and you've got more control over the clutch pedal. As well as installing this, we're going to be doing a full gearbox oil change as well. What do you use this contraption for, mate? Because it looks a bit funny.
Daytime or nighttime?
Oh, Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice. Fingers crossed, everything's alright. This is going to be a little bit more chatter, being that it's a single mass flywheel instead of a dual mass flywheel, which obviously covers a lot of the sound out. So yeah, there's going to be that extra chatter. You need to be aware that it's just a sound. It's not that it's mechanically wrong or there's something broken or anything like that. It's meant to do that. So yeah, we're just going to check the clutch fluid.
Clutch fluid, but it's a shared reservoir, the brake fluid, so...
Oh, okay. Same thing.
Yeah, top it up, bleed a bit through, and then fire it up.
And then we'll see how she does. Alright, do you want me to pump it now?
Yeah, pump it down slowly.
Right, it's all the way in.
And up.
What's that?
And down.
Down.
And up.
Coming up. I'll tell you what, it feels a lot stiffer.
Yeah.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah, you would do, because obviously the pressure plate is a bit heavier to take the additional torque, so you know, you're going to have a stiffer pedal feel. Yeah.
She's finally down, she's landed on the ground, not a wheel taken off, as Ryan said. Right, you're gonna back her up?
I want to say.
Oh, look at that, really nice. You gonna put anything on the seats though?
And put a seat cover on for Matt.
I'll whip her out then. Yeah, it's filming that. And the survey says
it's all good.
Yeah?
Drives nice.
I heard you driving down there. I was like, hopefully he's not ragging it. Oh yeah, you can hear it, can't you?
Yeah, a lot of it when it gets warm, it's sitting for an idle, but as soon as you dip clutch, but when you're physically driving, it's quiet really.
Right, have a listen. And down.
It helps being a 6-cylinder as well, being a bit of a balanced engine.
Yeah.
Less vibration, so you don't get so much gearbox rattle, but that's the nature of it, as you know, really, innit? So.
Cool, alright, I'm going to wrap up the video there. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're new, if you want to follow more M54, 335i content. Massive shout out to Ryan at RS Workshops. I'll post his link down in the description. If you've got any questions, drop me a message. Yeah, see you on the next one.